Hey guys, this is Abhishek from GadgetSleuth.com, and today we are going to talk about Nokia X. I have been getting a lot of queries from our readers, from some of my friends who are planning to buy Nokia X, but they are kind of worried whether they will be able to get the popular Android applications on this device. Nokia X, as far as we all know, is the first Android phone from Nokia, and again this is not running on the same Android which you see on some other phones where we have Google application. This is actually based on open source platform, which is AOSP. So you have an Android open source platform which is running on this device. It is running Android 4.2, which is Jelly Bean, 4.1.2 actually, which is Jelly Bean again. So as far as the overall UI of this phone, it is very different. As far as the application which you see on this phone, it is slightly different because you do not get Google applications on this device. All the applications which use Google API are not actually supported, which includes Gmail, which includes you can say Google Maps, and some other application like Google Play Store as well. So that means you cannot actually install applications on this device from the Google Play Store, but there are alternatives which are already there with which you can actually install any Android application on this device, and that is something which we are going to tell you. In this video we have highlighted 5 different applications from different categories, which start from social media to messaging, and we go up to the kind of application which you use as tools as well. So we will highlight 5 major top applications on Android which are easily available on this device. For those who actually are worried that whether they will be able to install those applications, we are going to clarify whether those applications are actually available on this device with the third-party app store which are already there on the device. So let's start with the video now. Now starting with the first application which we would like to tell you, which is available and very popular, is WhatsApp. For WhatsApp, it is one of the most popular messaging application in the market as of now for smartphones. So let me see whether WhatsApp is available on this device. So we have got the suggestion, and once I search for it, you can see that the WhatsApp Messenger, official WhatsApp Messenger, is actually available on this device. You also have a WhatsApp locking application as well, with which you can actually lock this device, lock this application with a password using this application. So WhatsApp is available on this device. You can use it on this device. So another application which we have searched, which is quite a popular application, is the ESPN Cricinfo application, which is also available on this device. You can install it from the One Mobile Market store, and you can install it for free. This application is also the official application which is available on this device for tracking cricket scores or any kind of sports you are following. You have this application as well, which can be installed on this device without any issues. Another application which we would like to highlight, which is available on this platform, is the Flipboard application, which is also a pretty popular application on Android. Every Android device, especially the ones which run the Google applications like Google Maps, Google Gmail and other services, they have Flipboard which comes pre-installed. On this device as well, you can actually download Flipboard application, which is a news magazine reading application. You can fetch the news from different sources and you can read them in a magazine style with this application. This application is also available on this device and you can install it for free as well. Another application in the photography domain is Instagram. Let me just see whether this application is available on this device or not. So the Instagram official application is also available on this device, which can be installed, and this is another very popular application which is normally installed on most of the Android phones. People use it for posting photos on Instagram, and they can share it later on Facebook and Twitter as well. So this application can also be installed on this phone without any issues, and it can be installed for free. Another application which can be installed on this phone, which is another popular application, which is called Viber. This application is normally used for free calling. Viber is available on this device. You can also install Skype as well on this device. That is also available for free. So Viber is one of the most popular applications these days, especially in case you would like to do international voice calling for free. You need to have internet connectivity either in the form of 3G or Wi-Fi on Nokia X or any other Android phone. So this application is also available on this device. So you can install this one as well for free. So these are all the applications which we wanted to highlight, and again the reason for highlighting these applications is that all these applications are the top mostly installed and mostly liked application from their own domain. WhatsApp is the most popular application for messaging. Viber is one of the most popular application for voice calling for free, and then you have other applications coming from sports and other sections. The reason we highlighted all these applications together is that we wanted to tell you that Nokia X is an Android phone. Again, it does not run Google application, but that does not mean that you cannot have the popular Android applications which are there on other Android devices on this phone as well. You can obviously install all those applications which you see on any other Android phone which runs Google services or which runs the Google operating system, or you can say the Google applications like Gmail and other. Again, this device is also running on Android, but it is running on AOSP, that is Android open source platform, and this device is slightly different because it cannot run Google services or Google application, but apart from that, any third-party application which you can think of is available for this device in most of the scenarios. So in case you actually recognize any application which you are not able to find on Nokia X, do let us know. I would love to help you. I can tell you the way with which you can actually download that application if you have the APK for the same, or if you can actually download the APK, from where you can actually download the APK for that. But we will tell you the place where you can download the APK and install that application later on your Nokia X, in case it is not available through the third-party store like One Mobile Market, Nokia Store, or any other store which comes installed on this device. From us, do let us know if you have any specific question for this device as far as application is concerned or anything else is concerned. We would love to help you. You can like this video if this video helped you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.